Hey everyone, once again we have new updates about Shiba Inu. Be sure to drop a like, thank you so much. And 7A volume surpasses Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and SushiSwap. Now obviously I see this as very big news so far. This is a very good indicator that at some point we could be bigger than Uniswap. Now we're having a 3.5 billion volume. Shiba Inu is one of the most popular coins. We are having and moving mountains right here. We're having mountains and piles of cash ready to be invested into SHIB. Now, Uniswap is perfect. I have nothing against Uniswap, but seeing what's happening with Uniswap right now, it should be concerned. A lot of tokens from Uniswap got dumped. And what I also saw is Shiba Inu is still going very strong. Even during the dip, we can see no other coin that has been out there for years has gotten close to the trading volume of SHIB. Of course, we have Polygon over here, which is completely popular. We have Monero, we have Dash, we have BitTorrent for some reason. We have PancakeSwap. You know, all of these coins have been on the market for years. But here we can see that it's actually growing after Shiba Swap. Initial days that it was expected have to maintain this for months to come, and what will make the whole crypto world take to notice. So we're still up 3,000% in the last 90 days. So Shiba Inu being so fresh and so early. Also, this man predicted the eToro listing. You're playing with our emotions, or is this true? A friend of mine works for their social media marketing team. He told me last night. And obviously, we all expected it. You know, eToro has been teasing us for some time. Robinhood, Coinbase, this is your time to act. I think this is a perfect way for Coinbase to see what's up with this. But the most important thing we can see here that eToro is going to be seeing big potential money coming in. From the Shiba Inu fans, from SHIB basically, we reached 200,000 members, which is super exciting to be. But as Bitcoin is down, and it will be for some time, I wanted to read you this news. We're going to be seeing SHIB going down. You know, we're still getting news. We're still getting updates. People are still doing the promotion. Nothing has changed except the price. The updates, however, are still happening, and the team itself has already announced new things going on. The hash rate has only started to go up again. It dropped 55% after China. It'll be a couple of weeks before it's cooking again. And after that, we can finally see Bitcoin's prices go back up. Don't be distracted by Bitcoin and prices. Focus on the project behind SHIB. The moon day will come faster than people think. And I think that's true. I think that could happen in 2 to 3 years. Obviously, we got to be super realistic here. By the end of the year, we will probably be reaching those stages that a lot of people will be happy with. But by the end of 2022, when there's going to be big updates, that's when most people are going to be expecting that big growth that we deserve. It's not a sprint, but a long distance race, and the patience is the way. Why do people thinking SHIB will win? Obviously, a lot of people are very speculative. I don't know how many coins do you have and don't care, but with 2-0 less, I will be very happy. That's my meaning of moon, and not like with tenth of a cent or 1 cent, or like people are dreaming. It will still be cheap. Even when it goes 10x, even when it goes 100x, it will be super cheap right now. So what we have to look into, if you want to support me and look at the other coins that will also moon, be sure to check out my Patreon to get news early. And also you get some exclusive offers here. You have to support my channel, and that will make you very sweet. Thank you so much. Nothing is needed. A like is appreciated. If we check over here, Double Line CEO sees Bitcoin buy moment at 23K. Is Bitcoin going to be dropping to 23K? What's going to happen with SHIB? I obviously think SHIB might drop for another 10 to 20%. And even when that happens, I'm completely fine with that. Predicts US dollar will drop pretty substantially. According to Jeffrey Gunkland, the trading pattern for Bitcoin may suggest a price drop below 30,000. Now, how correct is he? We'll be seeing, you know, such low prices for Shiba Inu. That we shall see. I am honestly skeptical of Bitcoin dropping below 25,000. I think it will go to 25,000 and rebound. But, you know, these people have been in the scene for a long time. for under 23,000 soon, given the likelihood of a crypto asset forming a head and shoulder trading pattern. He was seemingly referring to a head when the Bitcoin price peaked at more than 64,000 on the April, and the shoulders at the early January surged to more than 40,000 on the recent drop to the 30,000s. I'm not a big believer in head and shoulder tops, but this one looks pretty convincing. Trading neutral at 23,000 was obviously too early, but I've got a feeling you're going to be able to buy it below 23,000 again. Are you serious? Is seriously Bitcoin going to do this to us and go below 20,000? Go below 23,000? That would be crazy, wouldn't it? But Todd, a billionaire, said he was bullish on the cryptocurrency early last year. He also considered it highly speculative and highly volatile. Now, a lot of these patterns, are simply speculation. That's what we gotta look into, A lot of these patterns that keep saying, Bitcoin will be 10,000 next week. Bitcoin will be 100,000 next week. Shiba Inu will be reaching 1 cent by the end of the year. People are just looking at the patterns of what might happen, how much people are selling, how much people are buying. But there's good indicators that Shiba Inu is going to be growing after September, in October, in December. And that is when we will get the new audience again. So in the short term, the dynamics have been and continue to be in place for the dollar to be marginally or moderately stronger. In the longer term, I think the dollar is doomed. Dollar is going to be dropping. We already saw the inflation. That's simply crazy to me. The price of Bitcoin has fallen roughly 4% to reach 31,000. And Gotland, known by many as the Bond King, has previously called Bitcoin a good hedge against inflation along with gold, but expressed concerns about cryptocurrency traceability. Double Line has currently more than 135,000 in assets under management, none of which purportedly includes crypto, and the CEO has said he personally doesn't believe in Bitcoin. I've never been long Bitcoin personally, I've never been short, it's just not for me, said Gunkland. I don't have that kind of risk tolerance in my DNA when I have to get to worry to pull the quote every day to see if it's down below 40. But yeah, we saw the Binance crackdown. What's going to be happening with Binance? Obviously, Binance is dropping short term, but the Italians, the very strong Italian companies and Exchange Commission have warned that Binance is not authorized to facilitate crypto investment services in the country. And yeah, Binance is having a huge crackdown. Something very interesting, it's happening in Poland, it's happening in Germany, it's happening in the UK, it's happening in the Cayman Islands, it's happening in Thailand, it's happening in Canada, Japan, Singapore, United States, all cracking down on Binance. What's going on? I think this is the most important thing here. A lot of people are not considering this, but this is only happening to Binance for some reason. I'm not sure why. I honestly don't know, but I think you will always be able to buy Shiba Inu. Even if Binance gets so much regulation, they'll just abide to the regulation. They'll accept it. Okay, we're going to accept the regulation, tax us, do whatever, but let us trade. Binance is the biggest platform right now. Big crypto exchanges are coming. I don't know what's happening with Binance, but you can still buy on Coinbase in the future. You can still buy on eToro. You can buy on Robinhood potentially. I think a lot of people are going to be joining from those. While this is bad news for overall crashing the market, this will not affect the SHIB prices. You can see over here, every single coin is basically falling off as Bitcoin is falling. You can see it follows simply the same patterns, and SHIB is simply following all the other coins as well, as more paper hands are selling all of their investments at a huge dip. And that's simply crazy to me. I don't know why you would sell at a large loss of maybe $1,000, $10,000. But such is the way. Stay strong out there, SHIB Army. Be sure to drop a like, and thank you for watching. Peace, everyone.